Hello. In this video, we'll be solving this nonlinear inequality. So the task is to find the solution set of this nonlinear inequality. So here we have, this is a product of x plus 1 uh, times x squared plus 10x plus 25. So what we need to do is we can completely factorize this as x plus 1. And here, this is nothing but x plus 5, right? And this is going to be, because the factors of, you need two numbers, you can multiply to give you 25 and add to give you 10. So it will be 5 and 5. So this is just x plus 5 and x plus 5 greater equals to 0, which we can simply write as x plus 1, x plus 5, all to power 2 greater equals to 0. So now we find the critical values. What are the critical values? This is a nonlinear inequality. So the critical values are just the zeros, which minus 1, and x is what? Minus 5. So we go to the table and go and find our test values. So here we arrange in from the lowest, which is minus 5, minus 1. These are the critical values. So we'll try to draw a line here. So this is like coming from minus infinity and going to minus infinity. So here, since we have equality equal to 0, then we should leave the critical points, leave them close. So let's put the factors. We have just x plus 1 and x plus 5, all what? All square. Now, since this is even power, we don't have to bother. Here is going to be plus, is going to be plus in all the intervals. So now we take from minus infinity to minus 5, we can take like minus 6, right? If we take minus 6, put minus 6 here into this first term, minus 6 plus 1 is minus 5, so it is negative. So the products, it means minus positive is going to be minus. Now, between minus 5 and minus 1, take any number. We can take minus 2. So put minus 2 here. Minus 2 plus 1 is still negative. So we still have negative here. And that means this will still be negative, right? Okay, then finally, we take any number above minus 1, say 0. If you put 0 here, you will have here to be positive as well. So this will give us what? This will give us positive. Okay. Now, what does that mean? It means we're interested in the area in where we have what? The interval where we have positive. So it's going to be just where? Minus 1 close to where? To infinity. Right? Now, from minus 1 close to infinity, what are we having? We're having positive, right? Which is plus. But we also have equal to 0 here. So we have to go and see. Look at this minus 5. This minus 5 is close here. This is similar to one of my earlier videos. Since this is minus 5, it is close at minus 5, then we have to what? We have to union. We have to include that singleton minus what? Minus 5. Because at minus 5, you're going to get equal to 0. Yes, so it's part of it. So you have to include it. Here we don't want to have to worry because minus 1 is already taken care of. It's included in this interval, minus 1 to infinity. So minus 1 is close here, so we don't have to worry about it. But we need to add what? Minus 5, which is not involved in any of the interval in this interval. But because of this equal to 0, we have to include minus 5. And this is the end of this video. I hope it is clear. Thank you for watching.